What does backlog mean? Backlog means a large amount of work that has not been completed yet. In simple words, backlog means pending work that still needs to be done. A backlog usually happens when work arrives faster than it can be finished. For example, the company has a backlog of customer orders. This means many orders are waiting to be completed. Backlog can happen in many places, such as offices, businesses, schools, or factories. For example, the team worked overtime to clear the backlog. Here are more example sentences. There is a backlog of applications waiting for approval. The hospital is trying to reduce the backlog of patients. The workers are busy clearing the backlog of tasks. In simple terms, backlog means unfinished or pending work that needs to be completed. Easy way to remember. Backlog means work waiting to be done.